Okay, so first I'm going to make my dot measures. This is just I don't know, it was for packaging or something, I have no idea, but it's like metal, but it's nice, it's covered and it's nice and bendable, so I'm going to use that for the dot measures. And then this was just when I bought that kitchen set for the kitchen, this was to all the stuff in the box. I'm just going to cut off that little piece. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the straw, you will see, and I'm going to change my bottles, the red cup with this one that I'm going to make brown, because if you put it in the dot measure, the cup must be off, so I can't really keep the red one there. And I'm just going to cut off a piece here. But yeah, you will see as I go along. So let's carry on. Okay, so everything is now finished, so now let's go put it in the bowl. Okay, so first I'm gonna put the balls by the shelves here because already full balls fell down there and balls and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first, and I'm gonna try and do it with super glue because I think the hot glue will be very messy. Yeah, so yeah, let's do that now quickly. Okay, so all the balls are in front of the shelves. Believe me, it was no easy start because all the stuff keeps on falling down. But yeah, I don't want to bore you with that. So there it is up, and I think it looks nice. To actually round the things nice off, I think. So the next thing I want to put on is now my dot measures. This was that I made for the drinks. I'm just gonna glue it against here. Okay, I think that looks very cute and, well, for me, very South African. So yeah, and then when I made this, I thought myself, okay, there was something I forgot to make. So that's just a quick in is I forgot to make whiskey glasses, so I quickly made this little glasses. I just cut the bottom of this bottles. I cut it off, so I just made nice little, well, square whiskey glasses. And, oh no, I'm in the wrong place. There you go. So yeah, for if I want to drink some whiskey. Okay, and then of course my little cute ice bucket. So I made it this way that you can take it off if you want. Your ice bucket is there now empty, so there's no ice in it. So then you can just, when you want the ice in, you just put this, you just take this off now again. So then you just put your ice in there, so you've got ice. And I've even made a little few loose ice blocks. I don't know if it's going to stay there, but yeah. So just put this over there. So now my ice bucket is where I'm gonna make space for. I'm gonna move these glasses. I hope it will fit in there by the whiskey glasses. So I want my ice bucket. Sorry. Okay. And then just move this maybe a bit up. See if now there's no ice. And then, what do you think about my little corkscrew? I think it's just the cutest idea I had. So yeah, I'm gonna see if it's gonna hang somewhere here. There you go. There's my corkscrew. So next thing, I made this little basin. So I'm not gonna paste it down yet because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. I first want to see my fridge and all that stuff when I put that in. I think I'm just gonna have to move this up now. Actually, I think it won't be, definitely there won't be bad in a corner. it will work there. I'm gonna paste it down. I'm gonna keep it. I will work around it, but I'm definitely going to keep it. It's always handy to have a little wash basin in your bowl. So first that will stay there. I'm waiting for my fridge for this. Okay, so yeah, and of course then a little cloth. I'm just gonna put it inside or there next to it. Just press it in there. Now say. And of course I made the dustbin. I just sprayed it on the outside. No one's going to see it, so I'm just going to put it under here, under the table here. So there's a dustbin, and then I think this also came out very cute. For me, it's actually perfect for little ashtrays. So yeah, but it can also be little holders for like peanuts or something like that. But yeah, I've got a spider web here. Just gonna put that. Oh, there's some ice. Okay, put that in there for now. So no, just put that here on the counter. And how cute is that? Okay, I am quite happy of how my bar turned out. So it's full stock bar now, and I think it looks awesome. So yeah, the only thing I'm shorting here is my fridge that will come here, my little bar fridge, and so yeah, that will be in the next video. So if you want to see that, you must keep on watching. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Until next time, bye.